Standard 5, Subject ICT. Topic: An Introduction to Computers and Windows. Let us learn what is a computer. According to a layman's conception, a computer is a large box with flashlights, or I can say a container with robot inside. But in a general and a very simple term, we say a computer is an electronic machine which converts raw data, information, into a meaningful information. Let us learn the main parts of a computer. The first one is the monitor. The screen of the computer is known as the monitor. Then comes the CPU. The big black box towards your left hand side is known as CPU. Down comes the keyboard. The keyboard has many buttons on it. Lastly is the mouse. It has 2 buttons and a rolling ball. Let us briefly learn the terms of the computer. The monitor. It looks like a television screen and is therefore sometimes also called the screen. It shows us what we type on the keyboard. Here comes the monitor. The screen of a computer is generally known as the monitor. The second is the CPU. It is the brain or the heart of the computer. It does all the working and calculation as instructed. The full form of CPU is the Central Processing Unit. Here comes your CPU. The third one is the keyboard. The keyboard looks like a typewriter. There are many buttons on the keyboard. The buttons are basically known as the keys. The keys help us to type numbers or letters into the computer. Here comes your keyboard. Then the last one is the mouse. The mouse, it is an input device used mainly in the window environment. It is a hand guided that controls the pointer or the cursor on the screen. A mouse has 2 buttons and a rolling ball on it. Let us learn how to switch on the computer. You know that a computer is an electronic machine, works on electronic. That means basically we require electricity to switch on the computer. Let us learn the steps to switch on your computer. Switch on the main power supply button. Second is switch on the UPS. It's optional. Third is switch on the power button on the CPU. Switch on the power button on the monitor. 3 main steps are switch on your power supply button. Then second is switch on the button which is on the CPU. Lastly, you have to switch on the button which is on your monitor. Let us also learn about window. A small introduction to window. Students, just like a car requires petrol or diesel to run, a computer also requires an operating software to work. Windows is the most popular operating software. Let us understand with the help of a picture given below. When you switch on your computer, the screen appears with this icon. This icon is basically known as a window. Now, let us learn the basic of Windows in our next slides. The desktop. The desktop is the primary screen of the Windows. which appears when your computer completes the boot up process. It includes desktop, background, icons, and the taskbar. As you can see in the picture given below is the screen which appears on your computer after the computer completes the boot up process. This screen is now a primary desktop. Okay, let us learn about icons. As you can see the arrows towards the left hand side, it indicates the icon. Then down towards the left hand side of the corner is the start button. Then the bottom line on the screen or the desktop of your computer indicates the taskbar. Let us briefly know about it more. The icons. The small picture on the desktops are known as icons. You can see many icons on your computer desktop. For example, like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, computer, bins, and so on. The second is the taskbar. At the bottom of the desktop, you can also see the taskbar. The taskbar always contains the start button and the clock. It may also contain other buttons. Whenever you do any work on the computer, the name of that program will appear as a button on the taskbar. Let us understand with the help of a picture. As you can see, towards the left hand side of the picture is the start button. Then comes the applications or the programs which you open to work on it. Lastly is the bottom line, which is called the taskbar, as we are learning about it. Lastly comes the clock, which indicates the time and the date to us. How to switch off the computer? Let us learn about it. After completing your work, you need to turn off your computer. To do this, you have to follow the following steps. The first one is click on the start button. A list of items called the start menu appears. Students, if you see towards the left hand side in the corner is a start button. You click on it. That's first step. Second appears the start menu. The third step, move on the pointer to the turn off option in the list and click the left mouse button on the middle icon. The process of switching off the computer is known as turn off process, as you can see in the picture below. Let us understand briefly and nicely with the help of a video given below. You can learn two things from this video. The first one is to switch on the computer. The second, you will learn about how to shut down the computer. So tap on the videos. Bold key of computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine, part of a computer, monitor, CPU, keyboards, and mouse. The monitor. It looks like a television screen and is therefore sometimes also called the screen. The CPU. It is the brain or heart of the computer. The keyboard. The keyboard looks like a typewriter. There are many keys on the keyboard. The keys help us to type numbers or letters into the computer. The mouse. It is an input device used mainly in the window environment. It is a hand guided that controls the pointer or cursor on the screen. Full form of CPU, Central Processing Unit. How to switch on the computer? Switch on the main power supply button. Switch on the power button of the CPU. Lastly, switch on the power button of the monitor. What is a taskbar? At the bottom of the desktop, you will also see the taskbar. What is a desktop? The desktop is the primary screen of window which appears when your computer completes the boot up process. How to switch off the computer? Click on the Start button. A list of items called the Start menu button appear. Move the pointer to the turn off option in the list and click the left button or left mouse button on the middle icon. This process of switching off the computer is known as turn off option. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.